Welcome to day 4 of the Golden Algo Nuggets. Today, I have something for you called the breakaway gaps, but also how you can use them algorithmically and use them as a draw on liquidity. So that's what I want to talk about today. And of course, I still have my promo going on because I have been an entrepreneur for 20 years now. So I have a 20% discount on my community and my course. So all my daily outlooks, weekly outlooks, the trade setups I take, you can get a 20% discount on that with code 20. So you'll find the link in the description. So today I want to talk about breakaway gaps. And breakaway gaps are essentially gaps that are left behind inside of a trend. So whenever you have a trend and price starts running up again, a lot of the times you will see fair value gaps get created, but they never get mitigated. So a fair value gap that doesn't get traded into again is called a breakaway gap. So what we see over here is an example of that. So we have this leg up, pushing up, 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 barely filling any of these fair value gaps. They all stay open. And a lot of the times the first gap left is a breakaway gap, and sometimes you see this leg then be more balanced. In this case, it's the whole move up, but that doesn't matter. A lot of the times you'll find the breakaway gap as the first fair value gap that never gets traded into again. Well, what you need to remember is that whenever you see something like that happen and price shows a reversal, you need to know that the breakaway gaps become draw on liquidities because it's an unmitigated zone. There is no sell side in this area. So you see over here, price perfectly starts trading inside of that area and then comes up again out of it. So breakaway gaps are targets. That is the thing with this nice algorithmic nugget of today. You want to look for breakaway gaps once price rolls over, and that can become your target. I have another great one. That one I actually called out because we're here on a NASDAQ chart on the daily chart, and we got that massive reversal here. And once we started displacing through this specific fair value gap, I said to my community in the outlooks, well, I expect a faster move lower. And if we are lucky, we will reach this breakaway gap. This was my draw on liquidity for that whole move lower. Look at that. Beautiful. So breakaway gaps become points of interest, become draws on liquidity once price is done moving that way, which it explosively went away from. And when it finally started to roll over, it became the draw on liquidity. So nice short video on this, but pay attention to this because this is where you want to TP, and it's fractal, of course. You will see it on the 1 minute. You will see it on every chart. Use it, and looking forward to hear your thoughts on that and if you use it inside of your trade setups. So don't forget, gang, 20% off on a community and my weekly outlooks. So all my members knew this was my target. And if you also want to become better at reading order flow and become better at taking the trade setups day in, day out, then of course, please join the community with a 20% discount off on all plans. Looking forward to see you in the next one, in the next Golden Algo Nugget. Have a great day. Bye-bye.